Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Tag Manager for WooCommerce. This is incredibly useful for tracking customer behavior, monitoring conversions, and understanding how visitors interact with your online store. Let's walk through the setup process step by step. First, open a browser and head to WordPress.com. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your WooCommerce site, including the plugins that enhance its functionality. Once you're logged in, look over to the left navigation menu and click on Plugins. This will expand to show you additional options. From those options, click on Add Plugin. This section is your gateway to thousands of tools that can extend what your WooCommerce site can do, and today we're focusing on integrating Google Tag Manager. You'll now see the plugins page displaying all the available plugins you can add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. Locate the search bar at the top of the page and type in Tag Manager. From the search results, look for the plugin called GTM4WP, a Google Tag Manager GTM plugin for WordPress. This is a widely used and trusted plugin specifically designed to integrate Google Tag Manager seamlessly with WordPress and WooCommerce sites. Click on more details to see an overview of this plugin and understand its features and functions. Take a moment to review what it offers, as this will help you make the most of it once installed. When you're ready, click on Install Now. The installation process might take a little while, so be patient and let it complete. Once the installation finishes, you'll see the button change to Activate. Go ahead and click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Now that the plugin is activated, click on Settings on the left navigation menu. The menu will expand to show you various configuration options. From the expanded options, you'll notice that the Google Tag Manager plugin has been added to the list. Click on it to proceed with the setup. This is where you'll connect your WordPress site to your Google Tag Manager account, allowing you to start tracking events and data. From here, the process is pretty simple. You'll see a field asking for your Google Tag Manager ID. This ID can be found in your Google Tag Manager account and usually starts with GTM- followed by a series of letters and numbers. Simply add your Google Tag Manager ID in the provided field. Make sure you enter it correctly, as any typos will prevent the integration from working properly. Once you've entered your ID, scroll down and click on Save Changes. This finalizes the connection between your WooCommerce site and Google Tag Manager. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Google Tag Manager with your WooCommerce store, giving you powerful tracking and analytics capabilities. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.